Rath Yatra or Journey of Chariots is a major Hindu festival of 9 days associated with Lord Jagannath. This festival, held in Puri, India, attracts more than 1 million pilgrims every year, and not only from India but also from different parts of the world.
Dance style in Orissa, the eastern part of India, were being performed by Devadasis or the temple dancers. The dances were being dedicated to Krishna, known as Jagannath in Orissa.
The classical dance form of Odissi finds its root in Devadasi or Mahari tradition. Mahari is a ritualistic dance form of Odisha that used to be performed at the temple of Lord Jagannath. Maharis consists of Bhitara Gauni, who were supposed to sing in the inner podium of the temple, then Bahara Gauni, who were supposed to sing at the outer podium of the temple, and the Nachoni, which were the dancers' community who rendered their service through dance.
The Devadasi or Mahari system was formally outlawed or abolished in all of India in 1988. So that this Mahari tradition doesn't fade away, the dance form of Gotipua emerged where the young boys under 16 were trained and dressed as women and used to perform acrobatic figures inspired by the life of Radha and Krishna inside the temple to praise Lord Jagannath. Present-day Odissi dance has been influenced by Gotipua. Most masters of Odissi dance such as Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra were Gotipua dancers in their youth.
Gradually, with time, this Devdasi tradition gave rise to the modern-day Odissi dance and its repertoire. The Odissi repertoire consists of 5 pure items, which were performed on a daily basis to please the Lord of the universe. Thus, Garhia Dance Academy wishes to do the same, dedicating to Lord Jagannath on this auspicious occasion of Rath Yatra.
Out of the 5 repertoire of this classical dance form, the first is Mangala Charan, which marks the entrance of the dancer onto stage. The dancer invokes the blessings of Lord Jagannath for an auspicious beginning to the performance. The dance continues to the complement of rhythmic syllables. And concludes with salutations to the deity, the Guru and the audience.
Sthai. It is a technical aspect of Odissi dance, and it is also the second number in the Odissi repertoire. It depicts the force, artistry, precision and sublime emotions. It has been choreographed by Guru Pankaj Charan Das. Sthai is the fast-paced pure dance. There is no song or recitation accompanying in the part of dance. It includes only pure rhythmic music.
Gadi ganata
Batu, the second number in the Odissi repertoire, is an item of pure rhythmic dance. Here, the dancer brings to vivid life the stylized playing of the veena, flute, kahari, mardala, jhanj and manjira.
Shankaravarnam Pallavi. Pallavi is an example of pure dance or nritya. It literally means blossoming. Pallavi starts with slow, graceful and lyrical movement of eye, neck, torso and feet, and slowly builds in a crescendo to climax in a fast tempo at the end. Both the dance and music evolve in complexity as the dancer traces multiple patterns in space, interpreting the music dexterously in the multi-layered dimensions of Tal and Laya. The Pallavi will be performed in Raga Shankaravarnam. Abhinaya. It is also known as expressional dance, which is an enactment of a song or a poetry. The dancer communicate the story in a sign language using mudras, bhavas, eye and body movements. The dance is fluid, graceful and sensual. Abhinaya in Odissi is performed to verses recited in Sanskrit or Oriya language. Most common are Abhinayas on Lord Krishna, like Kere Chanda Abhinaya, which depicts the life story of Lord Krishna, where it has been shown the various phases of Lord Krishna's life.
बकार पाटी से चिरी पकाइला बकार पाटी केड़े छंद जानिलो सही केड़े छंद जानिलो सही सेदिन कंस होइना रस सेदिन कंस होइना रस लक्षे पद्म पाई देला देश पद्म तोला रस करीण प्रकाश पद्म तोला रस करीण प्रकाश बड़े छड़े काली दड़ी देलाटी से बड़े छड़े काली दड़ी देलाटी केड़े छंद जानिलो सही केड़े छंद जानिलो सही बिस्तारी पाटी खाइला माटी बिस्तारी पाटी खाइला माटी माज सबती छाटरे पिटी माज सबती छाटरे पिटी आकटन्ते थरे ता पाटी भितरे आकटन्ते थरे ता पाटी भितरे अशेष ब्रह्मांड 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 देखाइलाटी
Moksha. The distinctive part of the Odissi tradition is the inclusion of moksha. This is often known as the concluding item of a recital. Moksha in Hindu tradition means spiritual liberation. Moksha traditionally attempts to convey a sense of spiritual release and soul liberation, or the realm of pure aesthetics. The movement or poses here are in a fast-paced pure dance climax. Since Lord Jagannath plays a vital role in the emergence of this classical dance form, we hope that our performance dedicated to Lord Jagannath has evoked a feeling of devotion in everyone.